Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to tell you the current hiring in Amazon. Amazon is hiring for Senior Associate CTK svc, L3, and the locations are AP, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, UP, Delhi, Punjab, Rajasthan, Kerala, West Bengal. It's a work-from-home opportunity, and the package would be 4.5 LPA. Your core responsibilities include resolving employee inquiries about time and attendance and HR queries through phone and chat support, while ensuring accurate and timely data entry for attendance management. You will maintain detailed records in the service case management system and apply Amazon's attendance policies while ensuring compliance with state and federal laws. This position requires addressing HR queries using standard operating procedures and documentation, taking full ownership of employee cases from initial contact to resolution. As a key team member, you will document process gaps and suggest service improvements, communicating clearly in English through both verbal and written channels. Basic qualifications: 6+ months of human resources experience or 6+ months of customer service experience or 6+ Amazon experience is required. Bachelor's degree or equivalent is required. 6+ months of Microsoft Office products and applications experience * knowledge of Microsoft Office products and applications, especially Excel, is required. Knowledge of Microsoft Office including Outlook, Word, and Excel is required. Preferred qualifications: 1+ years of human resources experience is required. 1+ years of customer service experience is required. 1+ years of Microsoft Office products and applications experience is required. And if you don't meet preferred qualifications, then don't worry, you can still apply with the minimum requirements. What will be your shifts? Night shifts. It is a 24/7 shift environment, and shifts are rotational, changes every 3 to 4 months. Weekly off. Rotational 2 consecutive day off. It is a 5-day working week with 2 consecutive days off. The off days may change every 3 to 4 months. Freshers are not eligible to apply. Only graduates are eligible to apply. Currently working and studying candidates are not eligible to apply. In this role, there will be an online assessment and 1 manager round interview. And if you successfully cleared both the rounds, then Amazon provide you the offer letter before the joining. Amazon provides a complete computer system to work from your home, so you don't need to travel anywhere because it's a work-from-home opportunity. And if you want to clear the assessment and HR round without any interruption, you can download the Senior Associate CTK PDF from my website. Link is in the comment box and video description box. Hurry up! So many already in a queue. To apply this role, you can check out the link in video description box and comment box. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more job updates. Thanks for the love and support.